Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to clear all cache in your FiveM, right? So you have to just go to the search bar and you have to look for run. There's a shortcut keys, control plus R, and you will get here. Now after that you have to just go and look for a type here percentage local app data percentage, right? And just go and click on OK. Okay, and now here you will see a lot of files has been opened. Now just be very careful and just follow what I'm trying to do here. Now you will see a folder of FiveM, right? If you just don't get it, you can always search for it. And once you search for it, here you will see a FiveM application data. The logo could be something else as well as with the FiveM application, right? So I'm sure there's a one folder or the logo could be something else. You have to just double tap on it or open it up. Now you will see a lot of folders, right? Because FiveM has a lot of folders. Now you have to look for data. So make sure you search for data, and inside once you open the data, you will see this storage here. Now hold control in your keyboard and select game storage, right? And server cache, and here this server cache brief, right? Now once you have selected this much, make sure, by the way, I'm so sorry, don't select the game storage, you have to select cache. So the top and the bottom two you have to select it, and you have to press delete, or you can just right click on your mouse and just go and click on delete, and it's deleted, right? So these are the things and how you can just clear cache in your FiveM, and this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.